Hey guys, this is Wendy from Wendolonia, and today I just wanted to share some of the cool lunch stuff that I found for back to school at Target this year. So first up is this Bento Kids box. It was on sale for 20 bucks when I saw it, which is an awesome price for this lunch box. I also found these cool Fit and Fresh mix and match containers. They are comprised only of lids. So basically you choose a big lid or a small lid, and then you match them together for the size you need. So next up are the Cat and Jack bento items. They again have these cute bento boxes this year. They came in like 4 or 5 patterns, something like that. And if you open them up, you can see they're divided into 3 compartments. And they also have these rubber things to go all the way up to the top. That's important because when you have a divided bento box, if the dividers don't go all the way to the top, everything spills. Next, they had some really, really cute picks. They had these zoo animals, dinosaurs, and then they also had like rainbows and stuff. I took the rainbow ones home with me. They also have star silicone cups and heart-shaped silicone cups. Both of those things are $2 each. And then finally they had these cute sandwich cutters in a heart shape, a star shape, and dinosaurs. Now, what I liked best about these is that they are metal, which means they actually cut through the sandwiches really easily. Now, as usual, Target has a great selection of thermoses, unicorns, mermaids, stuff like that. But what I liked this year is that they had a bigger size. I think these are 14 ounces, and they come in cool patterns for teenagers. They also had some pretty good water bottles, Harry Potter, dinos, that kind of stuff. Cute lunch bags, Fortnite, for all you Fortnite moms out there. And then some Minecraft. Then I also saw this adorable mermaid lunch bag, but it's velvet and there's no way you could wash it. So it's cute, but I would avoid that one. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm hoping to have some more lunchbox videos for you as the back to school season progresses. So be sure to subscribe and to hit that alarm bell so you can make sure that you get the videos when I post them. Have a great day.